Hey guys, it's Davin here at brewbits.com with this week's product of the week. But before I do that, remember to like and subscribe to our channel and to this video so you can keep up to date with all the products of the week we're going to be doing and all of our other homebrew videos that we get as well. So this week's product of the week, well, it's going to be on the house wine kits, and we've got quite a different variety of on the house wine kits. And they're very, very good. They make 30 bottles of really good wine. They come in, as I said, loads of different styles. And in these boxes, you get 6 litres of concentrated grape juice, which you just need to top up to 23 litres and brew it up. But what do you get with this one? With the code POTW, which as I always pop somewhere up here, we're going to give you away one of these. And this is a Stevenson Reeves. Oh, 2 seconds, James. This is a Stevenson Reeves hydrometer. So these hydrometers are £4.50 something on our website. And we're going to give you one of those for free. So all you need to do is pop in a on-the-house wine kit into your basket, pop in a Stevenson Reeves hydrometer in your basket, use the code POTW, and the hydrometer will become free. This little thing as well, you can take the paper out, just in case none of you have ever realised this. Let me just pop the hydrometer down. If none of you have ever realised this, if you take the sheath of paper out, take your top that you took off the end there, put that on the bottom, you can now fill this up with wine, lower your hydrometer in, and this will now be your trial jar for doing your samples with your wine. Don't know if you knew that, but anyway, little handy tip for you. So there you go. Free hydrometer, Stevenson Reeves hydrometer with any of the on-the-house wine kits, just using the code POTW. But that's it from me for this week. But we've got some more videos coming out. So as I said, remember to like and subscribe to our channel so that you get notification when those are out. But for now, cheers, happy brewing, and happy hydrometering.